Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name still remains the Corrupfield, the dude that left home to feed home. Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money online. Real money. Can I hear in the description? We hunt for the bag. That's the only thing we know how to do. We only hunt for the bag. Okay, in today's video, I'll be showing you, or I will be looking at Systeme.io. Okay, if you are a businessman and you want to, upgrade to online, you want to showcase your business, if you want to make a lot of cash through what you can offer, okay, if you want to make money, this is an opportunity. This is an opportunity to do. If you're already in online business or you're about to join online business, this product or this website is the pure and legit website for you. Okay, in this video I'll be showing you step by step how Systeme.io works and the features. Okay, I'll be showing you the features, the pricing, and everything you need to know about Systeme.io. If you also follow me till the end of this video, I will also show you how you can make cool cash with this video, because the only thing I do is that once I show you the procedures, then I'll also show you how you can make money with it. That's the work I do here, because I don't think this world will be a better place if you don't help one another. So that's why I create this platform, so that I can help you to achieve your own goal. Okay, today we'll be talking about Systeme.io. Okay, if this is the first time of hearing Systeme.io, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to join Systeme.io, please go to the description below. You will see the link to join. Okay, the registration is free of charge, because what I do here is that I show you how you can make money online. So let's go to my laptop and I'll show you everything you need to know concerning this website. Okay, here I am in the website. Here I am in the website. As you can see, the easiest and fastest way to grow your business, your online business. The easiest and fastest way to grow your online business. Okay, if you are looking for how to grow your online business, this website is your answering prayer. Okay, if you want to join this website, all you need to do is also click or put your email address and sign up. It's very simple to sign up. Just once you click, you put your email address. Okay, so if you want to sign up, just put your email address and sign up. Okay, as you can see here, sorry, free forever, no credit card required. That's the reason why I love this website. You can use this website free forever and no credit card needed. Okay, trusted by 10,000 plus entrepreneurs worldwide. Wow, there are just 6 tools you need to launch, grow and scale your business, your online business, and we have all them. We have them all. Okay, who said you need technical knowledge to build a business online? This is wonderful. I love this website. I love this website. Okay, these people are the people that give testimonies. Okay, this is people that give testimonies. The building process is super smooth and the learning curve is ridiculously small. Get started. Okay, let me show you another thing. Okay, this is the rates, 4.8. wow, out of 5%, out of 5 is 4.8, to show you that this website is the best. Review by 411, and this is excellent. This is to show you that this website is genuine and you are doing fine. You are not alone. Our customer support team is here to help you. You can get 24/7 customer support team with this website. The only tools you need to launch your online business. Okay, if you need any help, you can follow them on Facebook, you can follow them on Twitter, you can follow them in LinkedIn, you can follow them on Instagram. You can follow them with all these mentioned above. Okay, let me log in and show you around. And okay, sales funnel, email marketing, online courses, website builder, affiliate program management, marketing automation. This is all you can get here. Okay, if you want to join, you can sign up here. Signing up is very simple. Just once you click your email address, you can sign up immediately. If you follow me till the end of this video, I will also show you how you can make money. Like I promised, I will show you how you can start making money with this website. Okay, features. Let's go to features. Okay, as you can see, all the tools you need under the same roof. All sales funnel, create funnel easy based on proven templates. Okay, this is one. Email marketing, send unlimited emails and create email campaign. Okay, website builder, easy set up your website in under 10 minutes. God of mercy, can you see this? Affiliate program management, create an affiliate program, automate affiliate payouts. Okay, business automation, save time and energy by automating your business. Evergreen webinars, run evergreen webinars to grow your audience and make sales. Online courses, build your online courses, manage your students, blogging, create high converting content and get more traffic. Sell products, become a dropshipper or sell your own product. As you can see, you can sell your own product here. You can join the affiliate program. Okay, as you can see, later I'll be showing you in the next video. I'll be showing you how you can make more cash with this website. I'll be showing you how to make more cash with this website. Okay, that's my promise. Okay, as you can see, for pricing, choose your billing period. Okay, monthly or annually. Okay, if it's monthly, you click here. If it's annually, you click here. Okay, but this website is free of charge, unless if you grow more in the business, you can try and upgrade. Okay, as a starter, you start for free and you have 2,000 contacts. 2,000 contacts. Wow. Email sent unlimited. Okay, email sent to unlimited. Sales funnel 3, sales funnel steps 10, blogs 10. Okay, 1 blogs, 1 blog post unlimited. Courses 1, students unlimited. File storage unlimited. Automation rules 1, workflow 1, tags 1, email campaigns 1. Okay, as you can see it. Okay, then this is setup. You pay $27 for monthly. Okay, contacts 5,000, email sent unlimited. Sales funnel 10, sales funnel steps 50, blogs 5, blog post unlimited. Courses 5, students unlimited. File storage space unlimited. Automation rules 10. Why this one is 1? Workflows 5, tags 10, and so on. As you can see, this one is webinar. You'll start with 10,000. Contact is 10,000. That's $47 monthly. And contact is 10,000. Why this one is $27 is 5,000. Unlimited. Okay, that's email sent. Sales funnel is 50. Okay, then this one is unlimited. It covers everything here. That's $97 monthly. Okay, you start, everything here is unlimited. Okay, everything here is unlimited. Okay, so this one is vlogs. You can start a vlog here. It's very simple. I will start showing you everything you need to do, everything you need to know about all those things. I'm just trying to review everything and show you how it works. Okay, in my next video I will then show you the practical, how you can make a fortune with this website. Okay, you can sell your products with this website. Okay, so testimonies. This is the testimonies. This is the testimonies. So this website is the best for now. Okay, let me show you. This is ClickFunnels. This is the competitor. ClickFunnels. Before you can join ClickFunnels, you must register. Registration is not free. Okay, and they give you 14 days trial. As you can see here, 14 days trial. But in this, you must put your credit card here. Okay, you must put your credit card here. This simply means that before you can make money, before you can start doing anything, you must put your credit card, whether you like the website or not. But in Systeme.io, Systeme.io is not the same. It's not the same. Free forever. As you can see, no credit required. But here, you must add your credit before you can start making use of this product. Okay, so that's why I'm going for Systeme.io, because they give me everything I need. Okay, like I promised that after this video, that I will show you in the end of this video, that I will show you how you can make money. Okay, how to make money with this website is just to become an affiliate marketer. Okay, telling people about this website the way I'm telling you now. You can refer your friends to join. Okay, to refer is very simple and easy. All you need to is just to tell your friends about this, how they can benefit from it. Build an army of affiliates. Okay, okay, if you want to earn money, okay, like I promised that I will show you how you can make thousands of dollars with this website. Okay, at the end of this video, this is how you can make money for the beginners. All you need to, as you can see, they are paid $2 million, over $2 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. As you can see, join our affiliate program today. Promote our offers, pull your lead into our funnels, and earn 40% lifetime commission every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a Systeme.io subscription or course. Okay, what they are telling you that you get 40% lifetime as long as somebody use your link. Okay, as long as somebody use your link to purchase courses here or subscription. Okay, open and simple rules. There are no conditions to join our affiliate program. As you can see, there's no conditions to join their affiliate rules. Okay, here, earn 5% second time affiliate commission. Okay, even someone join your affiliate. Okay, if your referral earn with our affiliate program, you can also earn with their affiliate program too. Okay, that's what they are trying to say. Anyone can be an affiliate. You don't need to be Systeme.io customer. Okay, you don't need to register. You can even start promoting this website now, and you earn your commission direct to your account. As you can see here, once I click my email address here and click join, I will start promoting this website immediately. Okay, So let me sign in and show you inside how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Okay, you can get email lead here, as you can see. So I will start showing you everything you need to do in the next video. Okay, I'll start showing you everything you need to do in the next video. So thank you for your time. What I'm telling you is that you should join this affiliate program. You can make a lot of money. Join this website, you can make a lot of money. If you want to join this website, the link is in the description. Make sure you use the link in the description and join this website. Okay, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. Okay, so please, if you have any question to ask, please don't hesitate to ask me question in the comment below. I'll be glad to answer you. Okay, please make sure you join us here. We are going to, in the next video, I'll be showing you step by step on how you can make a huge amount of money with this website. It's very simple and easy. Okay, peace.